In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where changing your profile photo or cover photo on RedNote doesn't work. First, let's take a look at the problem. When you try to update your profile photo or cover photo, it doesn't save or respond as expected. We get notification but can't translate it. To fix this issue, follow these steps. Open the RedNote app and go to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, go to Account Security. At the top of the screen, tap on the Mobile section. If you haven't linked your phone number, you'll need to do that now. Select your country code by clicking here. Enter your phone number, then tap Get Code. RedNote will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Check your messages, copy the code, and paste it into the verification field in the app. This can take some time. If you don't receive the code, resend it. Once your phone number is verified, go back to your profile page and try changing your cover photo again. This time, you'll see that the cover photo updates successfully. And that's it. Verifying your phone number is a quick fix to solve this issue with RedNote. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.